Hi everyone, good day to all of you. My name is CJ Yang Antoque, a third-year student of Davao City National High School. And today, I am going to teach you on how to use 4 kinds of figures of speech. So, let's start by introducing to you the figure of speech. A figure of speech is the use of a word or a phrase which transcends its literal interpretation. It can be special repetition, arrangement, or omission of words with literal meaning, or a phrase with specialized meaning not based on the literal meaning of words in it, as in idiom, metaphor, simile, hyperbole, personification, or a synecdoche. So the first figures of speech that I'm going to introduce to you is the simile. A simile is a rhetorical figure expressing comparison or likeness that directly compares two objects through some connective words such as like, as, so, or a verb such as resembles. Although similes and metaphors are generally seen interchangeable, similes acknowledge that imperfections and limitations the comparative relationship to a greater extent than metaphors. Sometimes, simile are submerged or used without using comparative words such as like or as. So, here is an example of a sentence that is using the word like. She is fragrant like a rose. The second example is a sentence that is using the word as. She walks as graceful as a cat. Like what I've said earlier, sometimes simile are submerged or used without using comparative words such as like or as. And here is one example of a sentence without using the word like or as. I'm happier than a tornado in a trailer park. So, the second figure of speech that I'm going to introduce to you is the metaphor. A metaphor is a figure of speech that describes a subject by asserting that it is on some point of comparison that the same as another otherwise unrelated object. In simpler terms, a metaphor compares two objects or things without using the words like or as. For example, Alveline has higher grades than me. So the third figure of speech that I am going to introduce to you is the hyperbole. A hyperbole is an extreme exaggeration used to make a point. It is like the opposite of understatement. It is from a Greek word meaning excess. So here's an example of a hyperbole. It was so cold, I saw polar bears wearing jackets. The second example of it is, if I can buy that new game, I will die. So the fourth and last but not the least figure of speech that I'm going to introduce to you is the personification. Personification is when you assign the qualities of a person to something that isn't human, or in some cases, to something that isn't even alive. For example, the stars dance playfully in the moonlight sky. So, those are the 4 samples of figures of speech. I hope you learned something from me, but if you want more examples, just search on the internet on the 4 different kinds of figures of speech. So, I hope you learned something from me. Thank you for watching.